Look at little Fiat. Look how tiny that car is.
Come on, show them how it's done.
Come on, Revving. That's all you got?
I was looking for it. I saw the car. Hold on. Yeah, no. It's a little picture of it.
Hello, everyone. On behalf of Safehaven, the children of Safehaven, we want to thank you for coming. Thank you for donating. Thank you for buying the raffle tickets. Someone eventually will win that Fiat. We're selling the tickets for $20. Please pick up a ticket, buy one, and good luck. Safehaven is a phenomenal charity. They provide residential and respite care to children with multiple disabilities. These children are among the sickest kids in Ontario that are not hospitalized. Over 400 families look to Safehaven for support. We at Safehaven want to thank you again. If not for you coming to events like this, we wouldn't be raising the money that these children so desperately need. On behalf of the kids, I want to thank you very much. Enjoy yourself. I'm told that the rain is stopping now, so enjoy the rest of the day and good luck on the Fiat. Thank you.